Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bless. Today is February 13, 2025. We have just went from Hacienda Designer Outlet Mall in Silang, Cavite. So, we are here now, heading to McKinley Hill. We are going to visit Venice Grand Canal Mall in BGC, Bonifacio Global City. Okay, please join us and have fun. Go, go, go! No bashing, just for fun. Okay guys, andito na kami sa Venice Grand Canal Mall at we arrived 4:30 in the afternoon. So, sulitin namin yung hapon. Siguro baka abutin na kami ng gabi dito para mag-enjoy naman kami dito sa BGC. Okay, come on, continue watching. Go, go, go! Rufa May! Alam niyo ba guys, ito ang nangyari dahil namahalan kami sa ticket ng gondola ride, hindi na kami sumakay. Kaya nag-pigeon feeding na lang kami. So tara, panoorin niyo ang saya-saya. Go, go, go! Papakain natin, wala tayong dala.
What's pigeon feeding? What is pigeon feeding?
Yeah, can you take a video of me?
I wanna...
Oh, ganda yan, Jo. Oo, dati wala tayong dalang pagkain. May bayad ba dito?
Hindi pagkain.
Oh, at least mura lang. Ayan o, O, tara na, matay, magpakain tayo.
Oh, there's a lot of them. We need to get some food to feed our pigeons. But I'll give it to them.
Matay, stay there. I'm gonna take a video of you. Matay, you touch them. Okay. Nagsimusog ka pala.
Kaya nga ako din kanina.
A video?
Ako rin kanina.
Is it a video or a picture?
Video.
Oh, yeah. taba nyo na. Kain kayo
What
ng
is
kain.
this one called?
Put some on your hand.
Ayaw niya kasi kung pupunta doon sa ano.
Because they
Nakakalmot siya. Video to.
If I give it to get away, Birdie!
Oh no, no, no,
Itapon mo kasi yung pagkain. Itapon mo yung pagkain.
Birdie, get away!
Say hi, Mateo. Mateo. Mateo.
No!
Tayo, look. Look there.
O, kamiro. Ebert, picture mo to.
But these birds are these.
Ayaw mo kaya.
Oh, it's okay.
Wow,
galing.
Oh no! I need a birdie to kill them.
Kuha ko ulit ako.
Wow! Palakpakin! Oh no! Mateo! Ang galing!
Sana na video.
Fly, birdie, fly! Little pigeons! Down your hand. I have Hey, look at
Diba tumae?
May hawak kasi.
Alam na nila!
We need more!
O, lagay ko dito yung supot. Lagay ko sa ulo ko yung supot, baka umakit sa ulo ko. Alin na ibabalik ito? Ito?
No more na.
You don't have food. You don't have food. Whoa! Whoa!
Except for only except them.
Tayo, look at me.
So what will they eat?
Their food tayo. Nagsusupot pa lang ng ano, alam na nila na may pagkain.
Alam nila kasi, ganun na kayo, hindi ka pansinin eh.
Eh ako nakagano pa lang ako. Kunuha ko pa lang. Kumano lang sa ganito ko.
Kasi ano na sila.
Siguro kasi sobrang na sila tatama.
Naku guys. Naku, nag-enjoy talaga kami sa pagpapakain ng mga kalapate. Kaya naman, pagkatapos noon ay kumain kami ng mga street foods.
Walang ba yun? Nalagyan na ako.
Gana, naubos na. Ano pangalan nito, Ebert? Ano pangalan nito? Fish cracker?
Fish cake. Hindi ko alam kung ano.
Fish cake. Greg, ano yun? Ito, ano to?
Cheese stick.
Ojo, oh.
Kaya na kayo.
Di ba to? Oy, ito, Ojo, oh, ayan, oh. Ayan, anong pangalan yan? Yung binigay mo, dinala mo. Di ba malaki yung kwento? Ito na malaki. Ha? Ano pala, isa lang, baka habang headband ako. Ano na? Let me see that, Ebert. What is that? Yeah.
Potato spiral.
Spiral.
Oh, thank you.
Diyos ko, si Mateo, sayaw na sayaw. Taking a video. Okay, well, Mateo, I want you to tell something about your experience in pigeon feeding.
We were feeding the pigeons, and then Uncle Jojo gave me some food for them, and the pigeon landed on my hand. We were throwing food to them. There were a lot of birds coming to everyone. We were buying more food for them, but the man said sold out already. Asked the man, he said sold out.
You asked for another food for the pigeon? Hoy! Tapusin mo yung interview. Is that all?
Yeah, that's all.
Thank you. What will you say?
Thank you, everyone.
Ay! Patay mo. Oh, there's Jojo. Hi, Uncle Jojo.
His name is Poggy.
Oh, there's Daddy.
His name is Polestar.
Wow, oh, plenty of food again. Pigeon.
How will we get home on time? We're gonna get home soon.
Sana nilagyan mo ng patamis. Gusto ko yung squid ball na matamis eh.
Guys, we enjoyed so much. So, pauwi na kami. Uwi na kami. Bye-bye. See you later. Dito na po kami sa Grass Residences. Ilan ba gamit natin? Ba't parang konti? Tama lang. Eh, si Jo, did you enjoy?
Are you going back? Hotel? Yeah?
Going back to what?
Okay, bye.
Here we are. Welcome back to the condo. Today is February 13, 2025. Sarado na po ang ating palabas.